Great to have you here. Welcome to Eugenius. Come with me into the big city, the periodic table of the elements. Here live our little heroes, the atoms. Many people only know the periodic table as a boring chart, but in reality it's a living city, full of movement and stories. Each atom has its own little house here, its element. But they never stand still. They're always on the move, looking for friends and new tasks. And for that, they use their superpowers, their electrons. Because it's the electrons that decide how atoms form bonds and how our world actually works.
Hey friends, I'm hydrogen. I've only got one electron. And honestly, I'm kind of bored. I'm looking for someone to share with.
I don't need anyone. With my 2 electrons, I'm already stable.
But that's not even 8.
True, but for me, it's enough. I only have the first shell, and that's full at 2 electrons. That's called the duet rule.
And me, I've got 8 valence electrons. Rule fulfilled. Check. Call me the role model of the octet rule.
But remember, not all atoms follow the octet rule. It's mostly for the elements of the second period, like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine.
The octet rule mainly applies to the second period: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. It doesn't apply to the first period. Hydrogen and helium only have one shell, and it's full at 2 electrons. That's the duet rule. Helium is already stable. It's a noble gas. Hydrogen, on the other hand, wants 2 electrons. That's why it loves bonding with other atoms. From the third period onward, atoms can sometimes hold more than 8 electrons in their outer shell. This is called expanded octet. A classic example is sulfur in SF6, which has 12 valence electrons. In general, we talk about the noble gas rule. Atoms aim for a stable electron configuration, similar to the noble gases. The octet rule is simply a special case of this, since noble gases like neon or argon have a complete octet and are chemically inert, very stable. More about that in another video. But here's a quick summary.
Wonderful. A rule that describes us. The noble gas rule.
Exactly, but careful, we're special cases.
Wait, you're saying I'm an exception?
Yes, just like me. The octet rule doesn't apply to the first period. Not to you, hydrogen, and not to me, helium. We only have the first shell, and that can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. I, helium, already have 2. That's why I'm stable like the other noble gases. You, hydrogen, only have 1. That's why you aim for 2, and why you love forming bonds with others. There's even a name for it, the duet rule, sometimes called the rule of 2. Ah, life is beautiful when you're stable. But you know what makes me even happier? When you stay stable with us, here in the big city. So, don't forget to hit that like button, and of course, subscribe to the channel Eugenius. That way, you won't miss a single adventure with us atoms. Come back soon. The universe has so many stories it wants to share with you. See you next time. Your Helium.
Hey there friends, it's time to cheer. Join the party, let's keep it near. Got the vibe, we're feeling high. Hit the button, don't be shy. See that bell, don't let it rest. Stay updated, see the best. Every click, it fuels the fire. More we get, the higher flyer. Like and subscribe, make it count. Spread the love we melt. Thumbs up, share and buy. Join the tribe, live the ride. Tap that screen, make it seen. Show the world what we mean. Share the joy, don't let it end. Bringing fun to every friend. this way. Your clicks, they light the flame. Together we play the game. Like and subscribe, make it count. Spread the love we melt. Thumbs up, share and vibe. Join the tribe, live the ride. New content's poppin' every day. Miss it not, join the sway. Your clicks, they light the flame. Together we play the game. Like and subscribe, make it count.